Good morning, friends. Good morning, good morning. May dala tayong dalawang basket. So, alam nyo na po kung ano po yung gagawin natin. So, ayan, friends. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ating sunflower, friends. Kasi, nag-uumpisa na po silang mamulaklak. Tsaka yung ating mais. Ang bilis-bilis lang nilang bulaklak, friends. Bago tayo mag-harvest ng kung ano-ano. So, sandali po. So, ayan friends, kung nakikita nyo, hold on. So, ayan friends, yan. Kung nakikita nyo, pati mais natin, ang tatangkad na, tapos yung kalabasan natin. Yan. Hold on, why my... Okay. Okay, ang squirrel at ang rabbit nag-uunahan. So, ayan sila. O, diba? Ang ganda. Hindi pa sila lahat namumulaklak. Yan. Ito pa lang. Ang dito sa may hindi ko pa pala nakukuha tong ating maliliit na parang cherry tomatoes. So, nagkanda na-overripe na. Okay lang yan kasi madami kasi tayong kamatis. Tingnan nyo yung aking mais. Yan, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Kahit super init, medyo maganda din yung kanilang mga tubo ba, friends? Hindi na nagkanda ugaga yung mga tanim ko dito kasi naghalo-halo na ano ng kalabasa yung ibang tanim natin tsaka yung mga green beans hindi ko nilagyan ng trellis. O di ba? Ayan, tapos yung iba dito pabuka pa lang. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Nakakatuwa. Kahit yung kalabasa natin madaming mga butas-butas kasi wala tayong nilalagay ng mga kung ano-ano ba. Yan. O di ba? Malapit na magbunga yung ating mga mais. So anyway, tingnan niyo si Shano, nakaupo na doon. Naghihintay sa akin kasi kukuha kami ng mangga. Pero nandito pa ako sa ating mga raised bed. Yan, sandali, kunin ko lang yung So, ayan friends, kukunin muna natin dito yung mga talong. Yan. Ito siya. Tapos itong ating okra. Ayan, meron tayo dito. Ano ba yung mga talong? Mga talong natin mukhang hindi happy, friends, kasi hindi tayo nagdidilig. Wala kasi ito ditong sprinkler. Ayan siya. Malaki-laki. Hindi na sila ganun kadami nung una. Ayan, dito sa kabila. Kunin din natin. Ayun, dito. Marami tayong talong nung nakaraan. Dry na dry yung lupa nila, friends. Wala din na kasi ulan. 2 araw lang yung parang magkasunod na ulan ba. Ayan, oh. Yan. Mayroon pa ba? Sa ilalim. Ayan, may isa pa dito. Oh, may isa pa pala. O, di ba ang lalaki ng talong na to? Ayan, ito. Oh, ito may isa pa. May isa pa. Nandito sa ilalim. Ayan. Ayan yung talong natin ngayon. Nakita niyo, friends. Ayan. Yan yung talong natin ngayon. Ang lalaki nila. So, okay, friends. Nandun na siya. Nakakuha na siya ng mangga. May ano tayo dyan, Han? Eggplant? Wala. Okay, so here, let's get the mango first and then I'm gonna get my string beans. Hold on. Okay. Sandali, friends. Look, friends. Nakakuha na siya ng isa. Ito yung perfect na perfect. Inabot niya lang. Ayan sa ilalim. Look how dry is my raised bed. See? Wala tayong tubig-tubig. Hold on. Ayan, ito pa. Ayan. Hinog. Oh, diba? Inano lang natin, nahulog na kaagad. Ayan. There's more here that I can reach. No need we need the picker. Okay. Let me pass here. Ito, Han, I think you can reach this one. You don't need a picker.
I'll grab this one while I got the picture.
Here. This one, I can jump if I don't have the... Yeah, I think you can reach that one. Yeah, that one, you can reach it.
Yeah?
No, the other one, it's inside.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. May langgam? Ah, hinog na siya, friends. Wala na? Yeah, yung iba, friends, pwedeng-pwede na namin kunin sila na ano. Yung parang may yellow pa lang na konti. Pero mas gusto namin yung hinog sa puno, which is may kalaban kami naman. Yung mga squirrel. Kasi ang dami ditong squirrels. Ayan o, may nahulog 3 na. Ito, ayan. Ganyan ba? Malapit na yan. Hold on. Here, Han. There's more.
I'm trying to figure out how to get this one, huh?
Okay, hold on. Where's the basket? There you go.
Yeah, I can't see it, no.
Where? Here, let me. There's always like grasshopper there.
Like your hiding spot.
This is my picker when I'm lazy to get the picker. Here, I can see it. Let me do it.
Oh, okay.
It's over here. Or that's the one you see, or what?
Is it really good and ready? Like
Uh,
100%?
This one?
Yeah, that's one. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you can see it good here. Here. Here.
Nice and big too, look.
Yeah, that's big. And there's another one here.
The baby one.
No.
The baby one right there. Get it. Oh, you're right there.
No, I'm getting the big one.
Baby one.
Here.
Oh, wow.
You didn't see this one?
I didn't see it. The baby one right up there.
No more?
Yeah, get the baby one right there.
Where? I cannot see the baby one.
Right there, here.
That one?
The little baby one.
Nah.
This one right here.
Oh, there's another one. There's another baby one. Hold on. So, ayan friends, nandito naman siya sa lemon meringue. Yung lemon meringue namin, friends, hindi siya ganun kaganda kasi nabibiak. Nabiak-biak ba yung iba? Kunti lang yung maganda-ganda. Yung parang sabi nila na overwater daw siya ba? So, ito maganda. Catch?
I think there's another one there.
Yeah. Nah, but it's really it smells really good. There's 2 here. Okay. I'll just drop green one. I got 2. But this one is not really ripe yet. Lipat tayo, lipat, lipat. Oh. Oops! I'll just drop another one.
Grab them all.
We'll right in up. Oh, here. The first.
Those good or bad?
There's good, there's bad. Uh, I'll just drop the good one.
Grab it. You go put your thing.
Oh,
Oh, that smells good.
is there's more?
We'll get the one under the tree.
See, I'm really good. So I guess that's it for our video, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mag-ingat po kayo. God bless.